Hey traders, welcome to Trade This Market video update for June 2nd, 2024. You're looking at a daily and a 4-hour chart of ES contract, which is a proxy for S&P 500. So interestingly, we had been talking about how we had the short signal right here on the 28th. I'm going to leave a link in the description below how we were actually successfully projecting that the market is likely to go visit 5200. We had a number in mind. 5200 was the number. I had said that this is a magnetic number. The markets are likely to come back down here, revisit this number, and then bounce back to the upside. And that's exactly what happened on a Friday session. So we were lucky enough to capture both trades to the downside as well as to the upside. And we knew we were actively searching for a long trade to the upside as soon as we got into this zone right here. So I'm going to bring up a 5-minute and a 15-minute chart, and we're going to break down Friday's price action to see how we were able to capture this trade to the downside and then this trade to the upside. So immediately before even market opened up, we knew we were dealing with negative sentiment on a 5-minute chart, and a 15-minute chart turned in the same direction right around 9:45. So here's our trade entry, 52, 55, 53, somewhere in the zone. And then just market just never looked back. It was just kept selling off, selling off, selling off. Black dots stay in the trade. The only time it gave you a little bit of hiccup right here is when the 5-minute turn. But without the 15-minute support, we knew that that's not likely to work. And that's exactly what happened. We finally come to the end of the zone right here, 5205. Our number was 5202. And it hits that number 5205. And then by then here, by 12:30, I think New York time, we knew to exit this short trade to the downside. Mainly because you were getting into the zone, and anytime when you do see the 5-minute is turning and a 15-minute is turning to the upside, this trade is over. Now you better look for the trade to the long side, because our initial theory was that this market is likely to bounce back hard from this number, and that's exactly what happened. So our entry to the long side was 52 15, 5212, somewhere in the zone, and then it again just never looks back. Keeps going up to the upside, 5305, I think 5306, somewhere in the zone, and then we had the market just close. So you exited the position here if you didn't want to hold your trade overnight. So 40 some odd points to the downside, and then huge trade like 80 some odd points to the upside in the afternoon trade. Tremendous trading day. And I wish we had a trading days like these every day, but that doesn't happen. So we take whatever we can. But in this case, perfect execution to the both sides, and just knowing the numbers. I think ahead of time, paying attention to these numbers and knowing how the game is played is what makes us successful in trying to figure out these trades, both to the upside as well as to the downside. So let's talk about the upside potential now. We're looking for if this continues. Now, interestingly, the daily chart has captured the signal line on a daily chart. However, we're still looking at this bearishness right here. So what's likely to happen if we stay above this line right here, 5288, and if this first thing in the morning is turning green and pointing to the upside, we are not going to be looking for any short positions here. As you can see, this is still climbing to the upside. So forget about shorting this market now. What we're looking for is both the 15 and 5-minute turning in the direction of a 4-hour chart, and hopefully daily is going to turn in the same direction, and that will mean that we're now 5368 is going to be taken out. We're looking for 5417, 5425 in this zone right here, and just above that is 5540. So we're looking for this market to continuously going to the upside, and we're going to be positioning ourselves for any opportunities on a 5 and a 15-minute chart to match the 4-hour and daily chart. So I hope this helps. Stay safe, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.